Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. This is Sandy for Polkadoodles. Today I'm sharing this beautiful Shabby Chic Mini Album that I made using my supplies from Polkadoodles. And for your convenience, you'll find a Polkadoodles supply list with links in the area right underneath this video. To make my Shabby Chic Mini Album, I used the Polkadoodles large circle die to cut heavy white cardstock for the pages, and then I used the smaller circle die to cut the Polkadoodles vintage papers. And for the framed papers, I used the Polkadoodles elegant frame dies. I used heavy white cardstock to cut the large frame, and then I glued it to the back of the vintage framed image. I trimmed the doily in half and used it as a trim to the circle cover. I then added dangling lace to the bottom, and I used foam squares to add dimension to the framed image. On the cover, you'll also find a butterfly die cut from the Butterfly Polkadoodles dies. And I mounted a sentiment from the collection on a white piece of heavy-duty cardstock. As you can see, I added dangling trim to the back of the front cover as well. And this page holds a die-cut butterfly that's mounted over the daisy border that I die-cut using the Polkadoodles Delicate Daisy Border die. This page holds an image from the Polkadoodles Vintage Collage paper collection. It was die-cut using the smaller frame die and then glued to the heavy white cardstock, which was also die-cut from the same die. I made wings using the Polkadoodles Delicate Daisy Corner die and glued them to this page. And I used foam dots to add dimension to the framed image. And this is the final page of my Shabby Chic Mini Album, and I'm pointing to the areas where I stamped scripts on each page. I hope that you enjoyed my Shabby Chic Mini Album walkthrough using supplies from Polkadoodles. Remember to check the supplies list in the area right underneath this video. Thank you so very much for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. Until next time, happy paper crafting!